sweating. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are going to be doing a hair tutorial. I don't know if you guys are into this like wet hair look, but I recently was on an airplane to New Orleans and I had a magazine and it had Kendall Jenner on it, and she was shooting for Elle, and she had this gorgeous wet short tussled like beach part mermaid look going on, and I was just like obsessed with it, and I just told myself I need to go home and recreate it. I've been doing my hair like this for a little while and I've just been absolutely loving this look, but it was so easy. I feel like people think it's a lot more complicated than it actually is. It literally takes like 3 tools to do this. So if you guys are interested and want to see how I got this look, then don't go yet. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I am super active on my Instagram. I'm posting every single day there. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. By the way, this is not sweat. That's just gross. This is not sweating. This is starting to perspire, but this is not. This is body oil. Anyway, I'm just gonna get into the video. Okay. So today I wanted to share with you guys this Aqua's hair towel before I get started with the hair tutorial. I have been loving this thing. I truly have been using it every single time I've been washing my hair. It really does dry my hair in half the time. Like, it dries it 50% faster than like a normal hair towel would, or just like air drying it. And what I love about it is it's definitely minimalized my frizz. During the summer I have like crazy curly hair, and it just gets really unmanageable, and this towel really does help that. When your hair is wet, it is at its most vulnerable, like fragile state, and so it's actually really not that good to keep your hair wet for long periods of time. I just love the fact that this is able to dry my hair really quickly and a lot faster. That way my hair is not in a vulnerable state for a very long period of time. I'm really glad that Aquas wanted to sponsor today's video and show you guys their awesome hair towels, because they really are game changers. I wanted to show you guys my hair. It is seriously like so dry. So I take this is the Hydrosource Biolage Daily Leave-In Tonic. I use this on my hair even if I'm not like styling it. I just like to use it because it's really great leave-in, and it just detangles the hair and conditions it furthermore after in the shower. Front parts of my hair, guys, is like already totally dry. I'm gonna blow dry my hair really quickly. I just need to get my hair dry before we start to style it, so I will be right back. My hair is completely dry, and so what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna part my hair. I'm gonna go right where the tops of my ear is, and I'm just gonna go ahead and clip this. I'm gonna take my heat protectant spray and I'm gonna put this all over. And what I love about the memory mist is that it actually keeps the style in too. This is the Bedhead Wave Artist, and I got this off of Amazon. And basically all you do is just start holding it down, just like that. And I just hold it down for a couple of seconds and do this one more time. And I do it all the way to the ends too, because I just love this. It gets ingrained in my head and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Disgusted with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain. You guys, it's a great hair. This is what my life has come to. Breathe every single thing we see curated. It's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell. So up top, that's just because when you put heat on my hair, it just gets really frizzy. So the next part is super essential. This is what is either gonna make or break your entire look. Honestly, I would not suggest you leaving the house looking like this, because this is just, I mean, you do you, but this is just not my vibe. Okay, so what I like to take is some of this Away body and hair oil, and I'm seriously gonna spray like 6 pumps, like a pool of it. And you can always add more. And I just start to apply it to the hair. You just kind of like run your fingers through the hair. You just apply the oil all over. And what this does is it creates some weight to the hair, so it starts to weigh down a little bit. And it gives it that like wet look. And then you just keep going in with more. And the thing is, it's just hair oil. So if anything, this is really good for your hair. And I love the look that it gives because it really does keep this like wet look in like all day. And it smells amazing. Just take it and just kind of scrunch it a little too. That was probably about like 7-10 pumps on this side of my hair. A lot more hair on that side. So now I'm gonna take probably another 4 on this side and just start to spread this from the top to the bottom. It looks as if like you've just like walked out of the ocean. It's like mermaid hair. That's what I feel like look like. You could even apply some like voluminous spray, but I do love the look of just keeping this in the back. I love this stuff. I have applied that. I'm gonna just apply it all over my body, just why not? Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this hair tutorial. Don't forget to leave me a comment letting me know if you're into the wet hair look or not. I know some people are, some people aren't, but I honestly think it's just a great way and it's different. I think it's nice to try new things. And so this just looks like I'm actually a mermaid in real life, but when I'm out of the water, this is what this mermaid bitch looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so before this video is over, and I will talk to you guys in my next one.